Hey guys, we received this Mart Cobra Fireproof document bag with zipper for test and try. So this is a fire and waterproof document storage bag, and or you can also store money or cash or any other document thing that you want to. This is a really big size bag, so it's make of almost like a 6 layers to protect it with this middle 4 layers, the aluminum fiber glass, and this is a zipper thing as well to put in your document. As you can see it inside with this aluminum fiber glass heat shielded pocket and a silicone coated on the top with the safe and stuff. So there are two zipper thing, one for the small things or the small documents, another is a larger one with this Velcro on the top. So this one is really nice for the document keeping and securing. You can also put in your laptop if you want to, like in the bigger size, and then small documents in the front side. So side-wise, this looks really nice and very nice document bag thing. So say like if you want to put in your document, you can unzip it and then put in the documents and stuff in here. So I just want to little bit test and try this on a flame. So how this one is the more fire protective. See like I'm just on this flame and then putting it on top of it. And then this is not impacting anything. So I'm not able, like you can see on the camera properly, but I put it on the flame directly, and this is not impacting or protecting the documents inside. So it's a really nice fire protective shield and very nice bag as well.